welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jaleesa and my channel name is Tameless. You can find me on Instagram under Tameless in Style. And today we are talking a little bit fast fashion basics, but I kind of indulged, I overspent again. But I bought a bunch of stuff from the new Harvey Naked Wardrobe collaboration. Now, if you do not know that person or that company, I'll give you a little bit of a tidbit. So Harvey is the stepdaughter of Steve Harvey, longtime comedian, actor, TV host, and her mom, who he's married to, Marjorie Harvey. So he's pretty much raised her whole life, but she is a socialite and model, and recently has been in the tabloids because she's dating our boyfriend in our head, Michael B. Jordan. So, you know, happy for them and their relationship. You go, girl. But yeah, so she came out with a collection with Naked Wardrobe. So Naked Wardrobe is a brand that started in LA with three sisters, and it's all about the basics for your wardrobe. So they are known for just doing very just like, you know, easy colors, black, white, gray, browns, and just like easy like stretchy fabric, sweat fabric, but just like plain easy things. Nothing that's too fuss. It's all about having it's Naked Wardrobe because it's all about the basics of your closet. So love that. And I have tried the brand before this collection, so this isn't my first time trying the brand. I bought a couple of tops last year, I want to say, right before the pandemic started, and they actually didn't, I bought them to go with something specific. They didn't end up going with the outfit that I like. It didn't come together the way that I wanted it to, so I just returned them. But I will say that they were really good fabric and they're a reasonable price point. Usually everything is just about, for like tops wise, usually under 50 bucks. And like sometimes like, well, like $20, $30. So definitely some affordable pieces. So if you're interested, they are carried at nakedwardrobe.com and also at Nordstrom collabs with them. And they have done a number of collaborations in the last couple of years. So they've done a collaboration with Taina Williams, which is Emily and Fabulous's stepdaughter, Emily's daughter, but their daughter. They've done a collaboration with Malika, who is widely known as Khloe Kardashian's best friend, and they can be seen on celebrities alike. So the Kardashians, of course, wear them. This is totally their aesthetic. J-Lo has been seen wearing them, just like models galore, like literally the list can go on. So they are a very popular brand and reasonable price point. So without further ado, I'll get right into the product. She came out with a line that had about 13 different items, and they came across 5 different colors. So they came in black, white, gray, mocha, which was like a lighter brown color that I have a piece in, and then like a chocolate color. I'm not sure if it was called chocolate, but chocolate color that I didn't get anything in, but it's dark brown chocolate. And I snagged 10 different pieces, 10 items from the collection. I didn't get everything, and I'll just kind of like note the ones that I can remember why I didn't get them, but I tried to stick with, of course I got sweatpants, which is like a basic, but then I tried to stick with the tops that were a little bit more eclectic, one that I'm wearing right now versus some of the basics. So I will get into that. First I'll start with the sweatpants. So first of all, the sizes on all of this is super inclusive. It goes all the way from, I believe, extra small all the way to a 3X, which is like amazing. Like that's very like not heard of in the clothing industry, but kudos to them for doing that. And I think that these are pieces that are definitely super versatile. So like I said, I got the sweatpants. So I got the sweatpants in gray, and then I also got them in black. So I'll just kind of go over one because they're the same thing. So first of all, I'm sure you guys have seen on Instagram, she's been tagging a lot if you follow her, but they all have this lovely little L and H embroidered on there that's like super luxe, actually. The sweatpants are super thick. Like these are definitely going to be your winter favorites. Like they are fleece lined in there. Don't mind my nails. I need a manicure. It's fine. But they're like a super thick fleece lined. Like I had them on in the house like while the heat was on, and like I was sweating. Like they're super thick, so definitely can't wear these to transition into summer. It's definitely a winter staple, but super thick. They are longer, so I wore them more high-waisted and pulled them up to my natural waistline, but if you, someone who likes them, like, and I would say that you can either go with your true size or size down. So I went with, I'm anywhere between a medium and a large, and I went with a medium. Now for size comparison, when I buy Champion sweatpants, I usually buy the men's sweatpants and I buy mediums, and these fit me very similar to that. Now, the one thing that I did really love about these is that they have a kind of elastic cuff on the bottom versus, again, compared to the Champion sweatpants, they have more of a jogger cuff, which is that like thicker elastic. I prefer this guy just because I have really tiny ankles, and sometimes that thick cuff just like kind of hangs out there. But when you have this, you can always do kind of like a cuff up, and it gives you, like I do that with my jeans too, it gives kind of the illusion that your ankle isn't as tiny as it is. So it's like a nice little kind of rough and tough, and love that. The other key point that I love about these, they have pockets. So they have pockets on both sides. Super excited about that. Love that. So love the cuff, love the pockets, love that they're a little bit high waist and that they're a slouchy fit. I don't like a tight sweatpants, so all about this slouchy fit. The one con that I have is that the string is very long. So when I tried these on, I tied it into like a complete bow that I can even like demonstrate for you guys, and it was like floppy eared Mickey Mouse. So if you pull it all the way super tight, like you get this big bow. So the hack for that you could have is you could always tie it into a neater bow and like tuck it into your pants so that you can't see. You can always fold over your waistband. People do that. There are like tons of things you could do. You can hide, you can cut the string because it is just as thin, like there's no hardware on it, so you could just cut the string, honestly, but there's so many other things that you can do, so that's not really that big of a deal. The sweatpants did cost, I remember they were $56, so not a bad price point, and guys, Michael B. Jordan was wearing her sweatpants, so they unisex, so go ahead and grab you a pair. The only thing I wish they had hoodies to match them, but they only have like, you know, all these really cute tops. But if they had hoodies to match them, like you and your boo could be matching. You heard it here first. So I got those in gray and I got them in black. So now we're gonna get into tops. So first I will start with what I'm wearing. So this is one shoulder, kind of like one arm situation. One arm is long, one arm is regular, and then it is a crop top. All of the tops were crop top. I got this in 2 colors, obsessed, so flattering. What I love about this is when I have a long sleeve, I like it to fit me here. So this is like a nice natural length for long sleeves. I hate when they're like up here. Drives me crazy because I'm not super tall. So like usually your arms are longer if you're tall, and like I'm not tall, so why is the arm fitting up here? So love this for them, that they fit down here, and then that it's nice and snug. So I can feel super comfortable wearing this without a bra. As we know, I have a larger bust, and I tried on the tops, and there was only like, I think maybe 2 of them that I will note that I felt like I needed to wear a bra with, but I mean, I could definitely still wear a bra, but like I felt comfortable enough that I was like, oh, I can go out with this and like not wear a bra and not feel like, oh my gosh, my boob's gonna fall out. Super great quality, stretchy. All of the tops I got in mediums, and then they're double lined, so you don't have to worry about, you know, being too see-through, but there is one that isn't, that is a little see-through. So moving on to the next top. Oh no, this has deodorant on it. I didn't even notice. I've tried all these on clearly. So this one is the one shoulder. If you look, it's all over it. That's so gross. I did not even notice that. I apologize. But it has the keyhole here. This one I believe came in black, white, and gray. And if you are, you know, on the Instagram streets, I'm sure you saw that Lizzo wore this in her silhouette challenge. So go Lizzo. With that being deodorant, and you see this is real person. If you get deodorant on something, don't take water. A lot of people take water. You can do it, but it's gonna probably make it worse. Take the fabric, same fabric, don't put anything on it, and just rub them against each other. And that will the deodorant won't transfer to the other side, it will just disappear. Ta-da! So just rub it and disappear, great. And then look at these labels that she has, like super cute, like talk about on brand. Super cute. So yeah, so Lizzo wore this guy, so nice cute little one shoulder piece. And then the other top that I got in black was also a one shoulder piece. This one is a little bit of more unique, so it's one shoulder and then the back is all cut out like that. So fetching cute. I love that it has this thicker band on the bottom, so that definitely gives you the support, like I'm wearing a bra and I don't need one. So that is one of the perks of some of these tops, is having that extra a little bit of elastic. And then I love that this tag is so soft that you don't have to worry about it like really chucking you. And actually I'm looking at it, and guys, this is 95% bamboo from viscose and 5% spandex. Like, bamboo is so soft, that explains why these tops are so fetching soft. So obsessed. Then I got one piece in mocha that I am literally obsessed with. So I got the turtleneck top, and it's long sleeve. The turtleneck is super tight. I am not a turtleneck person. I usually don't like turtlenecks, but this one is the one. And look at the back. Talk about sexy. So sexy. And again, it has that thick band on the bottom, so really give you the support. This one is a little bit longer too, so the elastic is going to fit right at where your natural waistline is. I didn't get a sweatpants to match this, clearly, because I was thinking more I would wear this with jeans or like a cute kind of like trouser or something, because I feel like this is a little bit more special. So there is that guy. And I believe that was the most expensive top in the bunch. I believe it was $45. Don't quote me. I have all of the product linked below. Prices, the names on Naked Wardrobe are super fun, and they're not the same that are on Nordstrom, so you'll see me, I have all of the names that are on Naked Wardrobe down there for you guys just because they're fun, and then I'll have like the prices and a link for you to go and see if you grab it yourself. But things are selling out, but I am thinking that these things will get restocked and there will be another collection, because just the way things have been rolling out, people are still receiving PR packages. I bought all this with my money, with my own money, but people, I still see her posting that people are receiving PR packages. She just had a banner go up in LA. And then on the Naked Wardrobe site, for some of the things that are sold out, it's like, please put in for notification of when we come back. So I feel like there's going to be more collections coming from this and more restocks and so on and so forth. So keep it going, girl. All right, then I got, this is the most plain shirt I got. So this is just a plain long sleeve V-U neck. It's like a V-neck, but not like very structured V-neck. So kind of like a U-neck, long sleeve. This one is a little bit more of like a heathered material. It's not as soft as the other one. Not that it's not soft, but it's still soft, but it just has a little bit more texture to it. Oh, this one's not bamboo, that's why. So this one's just viscose and spandex, same percentages, but thought just because with gray, I feel like the gray was a little bit more casual. The black, I could, you know, jazz it up with a cute top, or I could wear, you know, something that I have already, but I felt like with the gray, to go with like a nice basic top to go with it versus something that was a little bit more fun. So that is why I got that basic. And then I got this shirt in white as well. So same deal with the one shoulder situation, and then like you can see the back is just a reflection of the front. It just doesn't dip in as much. And again, same stilo, super soft, long sleeve, and nice and snug fitting. Then the next shirt I got, so I got this one. This one's kind of plain, but it's like a little peekaboo. So it has a little peekaboo underneath. I do have an under boob tattoo, and I'm always looking for cute chops that I can show that off. So this one I think definitely hits that nail on the head. Again, this one is more like the gray, a little bit of a more textured fabric. This one you could wear a bra with. Like, I mean, most of them you could wear a bra with, only some of them like this, like you could wear strapless bras. And like the back out one, clearly you can't wear a bra with that, or you can, you know, do one of those tape up situations. But this one you could definitely wear a bra with, so you can make it a little bit more casual. Instead of like just, you know, wearing it with like shorts or something like that in the summertime. And then last one, probably the one that has been seen the most online and on her website and in the advertisements, is just the classic tank with the knot. Now this one I believe came in all 5 colors, which a lot of the tops only came in black and white, but this top came in all 5 colors, and I thought this was just like a nice, super cute basic, and you guys know I love a nice white tank. This one definitely need a bra with. If you look at the ads, you could definitely see that she is not wearing a bra and you can see through it. And I was not like, and just with the fabric, it's not as structured either. It's tank fabric. So I would definitely wear a bra with this guy, but that's just me, you know, YOLO, do you. But yeah, this one doesn't have as much, and it just isn't as snug fitting. It has a lot more give to wear with it. Now there were a couple other tops that she came out with. So she came out with a ribbed long sleeve that was a very much like more of a cropped. I didn't think I needed that guy. She came out with a ribbed tank that didn't have the knot. Didn't think I needed that guy either. And then she came out with a mock turtleneck sleeveless with ruching on the side. Thought it was super cute, but again, didn't think I needed her. And then I think there was like another tank or something like that. I'll have everything that's in the collection linked below for you guys though, so that way you can go ahead and take a look and see if there is anything left or anything that you'd love to grab. And remember, it's not only on Nordstrom, it's also on Naked Wardrobe. But kudos to you, Harvey. I am super excited about this collection. I think it was super cute, super on trend. Like, we aren't really going that many places, so you know, why not jazz up your classic sweatpants and, you know, top duo. But thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Remember to like, comment, let me know, have you grabbed some pieces from the collection, or are you going to grab some pieces from the collection? And then subscribe to my channel, because you know, we're posting videos left, right, and center, and you don't want to miss anything, so make sure you press that subscription bell. But if you're just tuning in, don't forget to sit down and watch another video, and again, subscribe to the channel. See you guys soon. Bye.